June was an ordinary boy with an extraordinary imagination, always dreaming of adventures beyond his small town. Imagine being able to create unlimited AI videos in bulk, fully automated without paying a single cent, without any advanced editing skills, and without spending hours on one video. Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn simple text into fully animated videos, completely free, using AI automation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate AI stories, convert them into detailed image prompts without skipping a single line, transform those prompts into videos automatically, create professional AI voiceovers, and finally, assemble everything into polished, YouTube-ready content. This workflow works perfectly for bedtime stories, motivational content, faceless YouTube channels, shorts, reels, or even long-form storytelling videos. And the best part? It's 100% free. So make sure you stick around for the entire video. Skipping even a part could mean missing the most important automation trick. First, open ChatGPT. On the left-hand panel, click on Apps, then select GPTs. In the search bar, type Free AI Story Generator and open it. In the chat box, type a simple prompt. For example, write a 3D cartoon adventure story for kids with a magical fox. Within seconds, you'll get a complete story. This story will act as the foundation for all the videos we're going to create. Next, we need image prompts for every line of the story, so the AI can generate visuals without missing a single detail. Ask ChatGPT, create image prompts for every line of this story in order without skipping any lines. Keep the style consistent and make them suitable for animated video generation. You can also combine this with the full story text to make sure nothing is left out. Once the prompts are ready, ask ChatGPT to export them into a TXT file with only the prompts, in sequence, no extra explanation. Copy all the prompts. Now, open a new browser tab and search for Grok Automation extension. Click the official link, then Add to Chrome and Add extension. Once installed, open Grok Automation from your extension list. You'll see 4 options: text to video, text to image, frame to video, image to image. For this tutorial, we'll focus on text to video. Under concurrent prompts, keep the default value of 1. Prompt delay is set to 30 seconds. You can reduce it to 10 to 15 seconds if you want faster generation. Now comes the important part. Paste all your prompts from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Before clicking Run, scroll up to Settings. Keep the mode set to text to video, model on default, and choose your aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for shorts or reels, 1:1 for square videos, 3:2 for portrait, 2:3 for landscape. I'll select 16:9 for YouTube. By default, Grok generates 4 outputs per prompt. You can choose 1 to 4. I'll pick 1 to keep things simple and save time. Each clip defaults to 6 seconds, but you can extend it up to 10 seconds. I'll stick with 6. For video quality, choose 720p for better clarity over 480p. Leave all other settings as default and click Save Settings. Click Run and watch the magic happen. Grok Automation now starts generating videos automatically for every single prompt you provided. Fully automated bulk video creation. While the videos are generating, it's the perfect time to create a professional voiceover that will bring your story to life. Open Google AI Studio and select the Turn Text into Audio option using Gemini, making sure to choose single speaker for a clear and consistent narration. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the full story you've generated, then paste it into Google AI Studio. Here, you have the option to adjust the narration style depending on the mood you want for your video. For instance, you can make the voice cheerful and energetic for children's stories, calm and soothing for motivational content, or add a warm storytelling tone for narrative-driven videos. For this example, I'm selecting a friendly voice called Auto Know, which has a natural, engaging tone that works well for most animated or educational content. Once you're happy with the settings, click Run to generate the audio. Be sure to listen carefully to the full narration. If any part sounds off, you can tweak the style or speed to ensure it matches the pacing of your visuals. By the time your audio is ready, Grok Automation should have completed generating all your video clips. Each prompt you provided earlier has now been transformed into a short, animated video segment, bringing your story to life visually. Now it's time to combine everything into a cohesive, polished story video. For editing, I recommend using Shotcut or CapCut, both of which are free, user-friendly video editors that support multiple video and audio tracks. Open your chosen editor, then drag all the generated video clips into the timeline in the correct sequence. Next, add your downloaded audio track directly below the clips, aligning it carefully with the visuals. Spend time trimming or extending individual clips as necessary to ensure that the animation perfectly syncs with the narration. For example, if a particular line in the story requires more focus on a specific action or character, slightly extend that clip to match the pacing of the audio. Conversely, if a scene is too long and slows down the storytelling, trim it to keep the video engaging and concise. Once you're confident that all elements are aligned and flowing smoothly, click Export, select your preferred video format and resolution, and render the final product. And just like that, you've successfully created a full AI-generated animated story video, completely in bulk, without spending a dime, without any manual animation work, and without the need for complex technical skills. This method not only saves an incredible amount of time, but also opens the door to creating consistent, high-quality content across a variety of niches. You can use it for children's stories filled with fun, colorful animations, for motivational videos that inspire and captivate audiences, for faceless YouTube channels that rely on visual storytelling, for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels optimized for quick, engaging viewing, and even for long-form narrative content that would traditionally take hours of manual editing to produce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know that this kind of detailed AI automation guide is valuable to you. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and insights into AI automation, video creation, and content generation tools. Also, leave a comment below if you'd like a complete walkthrough of the other Grok automation features, like image to image for transforming single images into multiple variations, or frame to video for turning sequences of images into dynamic animated clips. These tools provide even more flexibility and creative possibilities, and I'd be happy to cover them in a dedicated tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more ways to simplify AI-powered content creation and bring your creative ideas to life faster than ever.